We want these pilots to have the flight of their lives.
I thought the track flowed even better in person than it did on the sim. Custom and I think Wordna set up a track on Velocidrone and practiced that. It feels 10 times better in real life than it does on the simulator. And yeah, it's really fun.
Old Shaky, for example, is a really special experience, and I think when people become micro-drone pilots, that's something that they start to look around themselves at the world and wonder, could I ever fly around that? Could I fly around that? And this is a place that I never would have even dreamed of getting to fly around, and it is a huge privilege for the 64 pilots that travel from around the world to be here. People that come to this museum are obviously interested in flight, and it's not possible to walk through one of these hangars without having the daydream of being the guy in the seat and flying in an unbelievable adventure for 8,000 miles. You start to be that person in your mind, and microdrones bring the gift of flight to the everyday person. It's this technology that lets you experience the gift of flight in a 5 minutes notice in your living room, let alone here at the National Museum of the United States Air Force. You can fly anytime, anywhere, and that's why for all the pilots here, it's become such an important part of our lives.
Old to young, guys, girls, you name it. It's just there's no rules in FPV because anyone can pick up a controller and go, oh my gosh, I want to enjoy what it's like to fly. You don't have to fly a real plane. You can pick up a controller and fly a drone and be in that moment you're flying, because first-person view means that you see what that drone sees. So many times we have race gates set up in our backyard 24/7, and every now and then Spencer will be out there practicing, and he'll come in and say, hey, come outside, I gotta show you the sunset. And I'll put his goggles on, and he'll just go up so I can see the sunset.
That's not how it's finish your eyes. But you would also technically have the lowest score. Well, you came in 13. My wing, who will be up next, brings it around. See what he gets.
Good. Way to go, man. Good job. Bring it back.